right in the heart of the city of Bath, in the thick of the hustle and bustle of the cafes, shops and restaurants. And the property we're going to today is just a 5-minute stroll up the northern slopes of the city. This is Belvedere, a Grade 2 listed Georgian terrace that sits on one of the key roads leading down into the city centre, which is only a few minutes walk away. We've just brought to the market the top floor 2-bedroom apartment, which also has access to the communal gardens, which are open to all of the residents. This property has come to the market at £260,000. It would make a wonderful base in the city for a first-time buyer or even a property investor. If you're interested in having a look, please do get in contact with our team. What I love about this property is that just across the road is Hedgemead Park, a beautiful open green space right on the doorstep.